We never thought that a one-day business come social activity would turn out to be a year-long ongoing cause for us, where people from all over the world would participate. When the lockdown was announced in March 2020, initially even we had to shut down our restaurant for a couple of weeks. But then gradually we started receiving calls from nearby hospitals and doctors who wanted food for COVID patients and nurses. That's when my mom thought that we should resume operations, maybe just start delivering basic food again with whatever minimum staff we have. During that time, one of our regular customers, Mr. Abhinav, he approached me saying that, Harsh, I wanted to, feed 100 poor people, but I don't want to step out because of the lurking coronavirus risk. So can you go out and do that for me? So I was like, yeah, okay. Like I've been delivering food all my life, so let's do this as well. I put up an appreciation post on my social media, and that post kind of connected with the people online, and people started donating money, and from that day it just didn't stop. In the year 1998, I lost my father to a car accident and I was just 5, and my mom was 27 years old back then. So as a means of survival and earning livelihood, she started with tiffin services at home on a friend's suggestion. Ma used to cook and I used to deliver. So it goes with our tagline that is mom makes, son sells, because it's always been like that. There is no stability in people's life, especially the middle class people, who are surviving hand to mouth on day-to-day basis, the daily wage earners, etc. They are living in very uncertain times.
माझे क्लासेसही बंद झाले, त्यानंतर त्यांचे कामही बंद झाले, कारण की फेस टू फेस कॉन्टॅक्ट असल्यामुळे तेही गेले 1.5 वर्ष झाले बंद आहे काम. म्हणजे जी परिस्थिती ओढवली आहे मिडल क्लास फॅमिलीमध्ये, म्हणजे आणि त्यामधून हा एक सोर्स म्हणजे त्यांनाही आमच्या हाताने पण एक चांगले काम होते आणि आम्हालाही त्यातून थोडे काही ना काही असं मिळते.
Now after a year, we don't see this stopping anytime, because even if the pandemic recedes away, or if the COVID risk dies down gradually, which we hope it does, of course, but people and society is gonna need us. Pre-pandemic, we were working with a socially passive mindset. Like we never think about the society while running the business usually. But when such tough times hit you, you have to broaden your horizons, and that happens only when you are hit with tough times. So pandemic has taught me and my mom this in a big, big way, that the society which brings you up is also the one which can bring you down. So you always need to give back to the community when it needs you the most. And I guess these are the times that one has to step up to do this.